Ibrahim Raisi was a hardline cleric who rose to become Iran's president. Known for his stern demeanor and black turban, Raisi's journey began from a young religious scholar to one of Iran's most powerful figures. Born in the eastern city of Mashhad in 1960, Raisi was immersed in religious education from an early age. His father passed away when he was just 5, and this only strengthened his resolve to pursue religious studies at the Qom Seminary. Raisi's education at Qom under the prominent clerics laid the foundation for his career in Iran. As a young cleric, Raisi was swept up in the fervor of the 1979 Islamic Revolution, which transformed Iran into the Islamic Republic. He quickly climbed the ranks, becoming a prominent figure in the judiciary. Raisi's career took a darker turn in 1988 when he was part of a committee that oversaw the execution of thousands of political dissidents. However, his role in the 1988 executions of political prisoners earned him the nickname Butcher of Tehran and also earned him international condemnation. Despite the controversies, Raisi's influence grew. He served as Tehran's deputy prosecutor, attorney general, and eventually Chief Justice of Iran from 2019 to 2021. In 2017, Raisi ran for president but lost to Hassan Rouhani. He continued to consolidate power, and in 2021, he finally clinched the presidency in a highly managed election. As president, he faced massive anti-government protests, severe economic challenges, and international sanctions. He pursued a hardline foreign policy, supporting militant proxies, advancing Iran's nuclear program, and engaging in a shadow war with Israel. Raisi's foreign policy was characterized by strong stance against Western influence, closer ties with Russia and China, and controversial comments on the Holocaust and Israel. Raisi's tenure saw deadlock in nuclear negotiations with the United States, escalated uranium enrichment, and support for Russia during the Ukraine invasion. Raisi also played a key role in strengthening Iran's international ties, particularly with Russia, becoming a significant military ally. He even managed to restore diplomatic relations with Saudi Arabia. Tragically, Raisi and several top Iranian officials died in a helicopter crash near the Azerbaijan border.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.